Ever feel like you're constantly tired, unmotivated, and addicted to your phone, games, or junk food? What if I told you it's not your fault? It's your dopamine, and it's time to detox. Dopamine is the brain's reward chemical. It spikes when we scroll, binge, eat sugar, or play video games. But here's the problem. We're overdosing on it every day, and it's making us miserable. Constant dopamine hits make normal life feel boring. Studying, boring. Working out, too hard. Your brain now craves easy, fast pleasure and ignores long-term goals. This is dopamine burnout, and it kills motivation. Step 1. Remove the noise. Cut out or limit your biggest dopamine sources for 24 to 72 hours. No social media, no sugar, no games. You'll feel bored at first. That's a good sign. That's your brain resetting. Step 2. Do hard things. Read, journal, go for a walk, meditate, work out. These are low dopamine, high reward activities. They rebuild your focus and discipline. Step 3. Delay gratification. Stop chasing quick pleasure. Start chasing purpose. Train your brain to love effort, not just rewards. Dopamine isn't your enemy. It just needs balance. Detoxing helps you take control back. Do it for a day, then a week, and soon you'll feel powerful, focused, and alive again. Start today. Your future self is waiting. Subscribe for more self-improvement videos, and remember, discipline is more better than motivation. Build discipline.